Story 9. A Nature Artist. Michael is Dan's best friend. One day, he received a special gift from Dan's father. It was a gourd with a little animal carved on it. Why was it special? Well, Dan's father grew the gourd himself. Every spring, Dan's dad plants little seeds, planning to create some special gifts. Every day, he nurtures the soil and watches his plants carefully. The plants grow bigger and bigger. Then, little flowers appear. Gradually, the flowers change into little fruits, which grow bigger with each day. Dan's dad then turns the fruits to expose them evenly to the sun. This ensures that the color of the fruits is uniform. By fall, the fruits are ready to be cut from the plants. That's when Dan's dad harvests them. Using a special tool, he carves little animals on the gourds. Then, he gives these special gifts to his son and his son's best friend. Dan's father is an amazing artist, a nature artist.